Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Maddie. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a website for free using WordPress in less than 5 minutes. If you're someone from a non-technical background and you're trying to create a website, then this video is perfect for you. I'll guide you through the entire process using WordPress, one of the most beginner-friendly platforms out there. By the end of this video, you'll have your own professional-looking website completely free and running. Let's build a website. First, head over to WordPress.com. Once you are there, click on Login button on the top right. All you have to do is create an account. Now it's time to choose your domain name. This is the URL people will use to visit your site. Since we are going with free option, just pick the domain that ends with WordPress.com. Next, WordPress will show you some paid plans, but we are sticking with the free one. So just scroll down and click on the free plan option. Next, WordPress will ask you what type of website you want to create. It could be a blog, business website, or even an online store. Choose whichever suits your needs. Enter your blog name and then click Continue. Now it's time to choose a theme. WordPress has a ton of free themes to choose from. Just browse through the options, pick the one you like and click on Activate. You can always change this later, so don't worry too much about it. Once your theme is activated, you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your website. Click on Customize Site to change the title, add a logo, or even tweak the colors and fonts. Here I'm going to do some basic customization for my site. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to publish it. Just click on the Publish button at the top of the screen and your site will be live for the world to see. To visit your site, just remove the boilerplate code in the URL and hit Enter. Congratulations on your first site. You have created a website on your own in less than 5 minutes. You can always customize the site by choosing Edit Site option and add a new post by choosing New option. You can always change the theme of your site by choosing Change Theme option. You can also link your social media account into your site. Hope you all like this content. If you like this video, just hit like and subscribe, Code with Maddie, and share it with your friends who'd like to create their first site.